Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Traffic Channel. Alaska. Utqiaġvik. Barrow. It is the northernmost city in USA. It is located in the Arctic Circle, so it is the very cold place. Barrow is an isolated city of Alaska for the car drivers, because the roads of Barrow are not leading to other regions of Alaska, so people cannot move from Barrow to other regions, or from other regions to Barrow by car. And, in winter, Arctic Ocean is frozen, so people cannot voyage from Barrow to other regions, or from other regions to Barrow during winter. So only the flight is always available transportation in Barrow. The cargo is carried from other places to Barrow by plane mainly. It costs more expensive than another transports, so the prices are expensive in Barrow. Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh. CEO.
Barrow is not isolated. We can bring something to Barrow by car. We can do it.
Really?
Look. Anchorage.
Anchorage is biggest city in Alaska, and has Dream Traffic Cargo Terminal.
Yes. And Prudhoe Bay.
Prudhoe Bay. It is also located in the Arctic Circle as Barrow. And it has the Prudhoe Bay oil field. It is the largest oil field in North America.
Yes. From Anchorage to Prudhoe Bay, we can carry something by car.
Yes, we can. But, from Prudhoe Bay, there is no road to Barrow.
No problem. Amphibious vehicle can run Arctic Ocean.
Oh, I see. Amphibious vehicle can run on the Arctic Ocean, even if the ocean is frozen. And it can bring something from Prudhoe Bay to Barrow.
Yes. So, make amphibious cargo vehicle. And we bring groceries to Barrow, and sell groceries cheaply in Barrow.
Aye aye sir. This is Dream Traffic Amphibious Truck, Alaska. Car mode. On land. Maximum speed 150 km about 93 miles per hour. Ship mode. On the water. Maximum speed 45 knot about 83 km about 52 miles per hour. Loading capacity 15 tons. The tires and wheels are changeable to the continuous track type, so it can run on the thick ice load of Alaska easily. Even if the truck runs on the ice, and breaks the ice, and falls into the cold water, it is safe, no problem, it is not drowned in the water, because of the ship mode.
Good job. Excellent.
Delivery route. The truck leaves Dream Traffic Cargo Terminal Anchorage and runs to Prudhoe Bay. And from Prudhoe Bay, runs over the Arctic Ocean to Barrow and arrives at Dream Traffic Cargo Terminal Barrow. And finally, the groceries are delivered to the supermarkets in Barrow.
Good job. Cost of transportation by car is lower than cost of transportation by plane. So, prices are lower in Barrow. Is nice. Good luck.
Talent of Dream Traffic Amphibious Truck Alaska. From Anchorage to Barrow. It takes about 20 to 27 hours, and transportation costs are lower than air transportation. It is nice. Thanks for watching Dream Traffic channel. See you next time.